Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to underline chapter headings in Microsoft Word. So this is the sample output after you finish the tutorial. So let's start it. So this is a chapter title and here we are seeing title is there. To underline this heading or this chapter heading, at first we need to select this text and then we have to click here and it will be expanded. So this is the border thing. So at the bottom there is border and shading. We have to click here and it will be expanded in a new window. So there are different settings are there. To add a border, just underline, we have to choose one of these four options. So this one is the underline, we just need to select it and here is a preview, it looks. Then we have to choose a style. There are different style. If you choose other style, you will see the output. It will be like this dot dot and this is a straight line. So I'm going to choose this style, and to change the color we can also change the color. We can change red color or green color or some other color, but for this tutorial I'm going to choose black color. And then the thickness of the border, so this thickness, there are different options are there, like 1 point, then 3 point, and some other points till 6 point. So for example we want to make this border like 3 point, so I'm going to press 3 and then finally I have to press the OK button and we'll see a border has been added on the chapter title. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily underline chapter headings in Microsoft Word. Thank you guys for watching the video.